So the topic for today is adding and subtracting unlike fraction, but in this case, these fractions have not a direct relationship. We need to find out a common denominator. We are going to see it. So add and subtract unlike fraction, that is our objective. And we are going to start placing this example. This is an addition problem. Indeed, we are working with unlike fractions. The first adding is in third. This is 1/3. And the second fraction is in 8. 1/3 plus 5/8. You and I know that it's not possible to add or subtract any fraction if they are not in the same term, if they are not like fractions. Okay, everybody, come and assume this topic is a kind of difficult if you don't pay attention. We need to find out a common denominator between 3 and 8. Let me tell you what, at this case, we need to change both of the fractions term. We need to change the term of 3 and the term of 8. That is an easy and simple way to do it. In this case, it's applicable looking for the least common multiple. Least common multiple. I will find out the least common multiple applying a strategy. This strategy is taken every single of the denominators and multiplying them. It means, what if you multiply 3 times 8, for example? Denominator of 3 and 8. 3 times 8, who may tell me multiplication tables?
4.
Okay, so I think I'm not sharing my screen. What I'm sharing with you now is good. Okay. 3 times 8 is equals
28. You're 24.
okay, 24. So you notice I take every one of these 3 and 8, I take them, I multiply and I get 24. At least I have a common multiple. The common multiple will be my new denominator for those two fractions. What is happening? Okay, yeah, I can see. 24 will be my new denominator. By the way, that will be my common denominator for those fractions. So I'm going to change both of my fractions by multiplying. So I need to ask the question. At the first example, I have 1/3. How many times do I need to multiply 3 to get 24? You know that answer is 4. So you will multiply then the whole fractions times 4. Excuse me, 8 in this case. 8. 8, sorry. So 8 times 1 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. By the second case, the fractions is fit 8. Now the fraction is in 8. I'm going to multiply by the opposite number. So that's going to be times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 8 times 3 is 24. Now, voila! I have both of my fractions in the same term. Now it's easy to solve it because they are in the same term, they are like fraction because I found the common denominator. Okay, by multiplying the denominator. So who may tell me here the answer? 8 plus 15 is 20? 23. 23 24th. That is a fraction. We are dealing with a proper or an improper fraction. This is proper or improper fraction. Because it is improper, we need to do another procedure. Okay, guys, let me tell you, this is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. And I cannot write it in lowest term because there is not a common factor between 23 and 24. Another example, who may tell me easily by using the same strategy. What is the common denominator between 4 and 3? Because I have 5 and 1/4 and 1 and 1/3. Thinking by multiplying, remember I did it before, that is the strategy, 12. So I need to then to change both of the fraction to 12. Remember, if you are dealing with mixed number, you don't need to touch the whole numbers. You don't need to multiply the whole numbers. Just we are working with the fraction. Fraction should be in the same term. Mean I need to change my fraction into like fractions. Okay, my new denominator will be 12. How is this multiplication? So you multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. I can say also that 4 times 3 is 12. You got it? Okay, so now this is my question. Because this fraction is in 4 here, how many times you need to multiply 4 to get 12? It is 3. So you will multiply that times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. That's it. Now, the next is in third. How many times you need to multiply 3 to get 12? 4 times. So you will multiply times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, voila! I got it. I have both of my fractions in the same term. What to do now? Subtract. 3 minus 4 is 1, right? Is that correct? No, it's incorrect. You can subtract 4 from 3. So I need to borrow 1 from my whole number. So that we take 1 from 5, it will turn in 4. And that will make me a new fraction equals 1 whole number. This fraction is 12. And I need to add that fraction to 3/12. So 12 plus 3/12 is equals 15/12. Now, I'm able to complete my subtraction because now I have enough in my minuend to subtract 4. 15 minus 4 is nobody knows.
11.
Thank you, Angelina. You saved my day. 11. 11/12 is the fraction part. Now I will go ahead and subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 and 11/12. Okay, question. This is the last question for today because it's 12:20 already. Check at that mixed number. Do the fraction part is in lowest term? How do you know it?
Because 11 is a prime number.
11 is a prime number. That is a good point. There is not common factor between 11 and 12, so my answer is in lowest term. Good job, guys. Thank you. Amazing. So the topic for today is